Hello guys, Harshal this side and welcome to NicheFlicks AI, the all-in-one AI-powered solution that transforms how you generate leads, create videos and scale your agency. If you are tired of spending hours finding clients, writing scripts and building marketing videos, you are about to discover a better way. With NicheFlicks AI, you can instantly uncover high-value clients in any niche, create professional quality videos with AI-generated scripts and visuals, launch optimized landing pages, capture leads effortlessly, automate email marketing and follow up to close more sales, all without tech skills, endless manual work, or hiring expensive teams. NicheFlicks AI does all the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on scaling your business faster. So let's dive in and see how it works. So let's go ahead and check what different niches we have. So we can go ahead and select one. Let's go ahead and select a restaurant probably. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll find out restaurants near New York within a distance of 5,000 that do or do not feature video services. Once you click on Let's Go button, the NicheFlicks AI will go ahead and find relevant restaurants that don't have video. Okay, the first one is Anytime Kitchen. As you can see, all the information about Anytime Kitchen is loaded over here. Their email, their phone number, their website, whether they have video on their website or not, right? So all the relevant information, and this one is the key information like video lead score. If it is more than 50, then it's good to go. Means you can go ahead and create a video for this, and it shows that it has a high probability that they will go ahead and buy this video. It will be helpful for them. Once you selected your lead, you can save it as a draft. Okay. Then you click on create video for this lead. Once you do that, the application is now visiting their website, gathering information from there, and it is creating a video script for you. So within 2 minutes you will get a video script written for you. It's over here. If you want, you can also rewrite it, and it comes with the scenes, image keywords, SEO keywords, even the tags. Okay. Once you do that, you can click on create video using the script. Now it will take you to the page where you can create a video. Now the first step is name, create a name. Okay. Then find a relevant template. Here it is. Click on save and next. Now as you can see on the right hand side, whatever script we have generated in the first step is been auto populated over here, right? And we have all pre-made slides over here. If you want to delete anything, you can go ahead and delete from here. If you want to add more slides, you can go ahead and add more slides from here. Now let's go ahead and try and edit this one. So our script is on the right hand side, and just need to click here and replace this text. Right. Similarly for the next step, along with this, you can also change the font color, font family as well. Okay. So once you're done for every slide, you can go ahead and render this video. So there is one more thing, you can also change the background video from here. So you just click on here, the relevant keywords will be popped over here. Just click on search them. You can just go ahead and add them from here. You can select start and end time as you want, just like that. Then the video will appear here. Similarly, do it for every step and then finally you can go ahead and click on save and continue. Then there is a configure audio option as well. If you like to upload your voiceover, you can do that from here. I'm gonna go ahead and select a background music for this one and click on save and render video. Now NicheFlicks AI is rendering your video. It will take near about 10 to 15 minutes in order to do so, depending on the length of the video, and then we will jump on to the next step, that is landing page creation. Currently rendering. I will just show you how the next step works. Now I have a already rendered video over here, and if you see here the landing page, if you click on this landing page has been auto generated by the AI. Here is the landing page generated. Okay, you can change, customize everything on this page, like logo, content, these pointers. This video already appears over here, and once you're done, just need to click on update and you will get a link over here. Just copy the link and preview the link. Here you go. You can go ahead and send this link to your leads from the email address or information that you find over here, and this takes only 5 minutes to do. Once you do this for 1 hour daily, you will definitely land high-paying clients that will pay you every month to get more and more videos. Then there is some more. You can also directly create videos from any URL. So you can just get any URL and pick it, add it over here, or you can also add a content and just click on let's go. It will automatically create script for you, and it will automatically take you to the video creation page. And there are some more sections such as analytics, which will also give you how many leads you explored, how many pages you have generated, how many scripts you created up till now. Okay, that's it. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the chat box. Thank you very much.